Yes, Mom, I'm got new underwear on. Yes, Mom, I put on new socks. Mom, I'm not going that far away. I'm just going to the store. Hold on a minute. I got a video I'm making right now. I'll call you back later, Mom. No, I'm not trying to get rid of you, Mom. Just give me a second. Okay, I'll be right back. Hi there. Welcome to another exciting episode of Buck 20 Vintage Carnival Donkey Collectible Show. Today, I'm very excited to have a pair of very unique and cool old vintage toys that I want to share with you. These here are MARX DAIL typewriters. This one here is from the 30s. And this one here is a little bit newer. It's from the 40s. These are very exciting typewriters. As you can see how these work, you press a button and you see the dial go down, just like a label maker. It has a space thing here. If you turn it around and you look at it, you can see the mechanism working. Let's look at that. And also, if you look here, you can see just where you put the paper in, just like a regular typewriter, and it rolls up and stuff, and that there holds the paper down. And when you press the button, and as you can see, it actually advances the paper for you. This is really a very exciting piece. A lot of people probably don't even know these exist, but as you can see, you can change the letters by simply turning that, and that's the 30s one. Let's look at the 40s version, which is really pretty much the same thing, except for it has the little keys on it. Funny how it's missing some of the keys as you look at it, but you can also do the same thing with this one. As you can see, the mechanism pretty much the same. The neat thing about these is that they made different variations of these from the 30s on up. MARX was a very cool company, and it made a lot of pressed metal and plastic toys from I believe it started in 1919, and it kept going right on up until fairly recent. I thinking that they had been bought out here back in the 2000s, and they reissued a lot of the stuff. That makes me, Buck 20, the vintage carnival donkey, very excited. Will they ever reissue something like this? I do not know, but I just wanted to share these two unique items with you. And if you'd like to see some more vintage toys that I own, I'd be more than happy to share them with you. And you have a nice day.